heart is very close to all of us. Let it be love or let it be life. I am Dr. Sheetalkumar Hiran, taking care of your heart. Today we will be talking about which is the best oil for our heart. Oil plays a very important role in Indian people. You think of any festival in India and oil is an integral part of it. And for our quick bites in the form of bhajis, vada pav, samosa, tikkis and burgers, that also becoming a part of our life and part of our oil intake. What exactly oil causes to our heart? That it will increase your cholesterol level in your body and slowly they will start accumulating in your arteries, causing blockages in your heart or blockages in your arteries of brain. So many people ask me, doctor, what is the best oil? Now let us understand, oil is made up of three integral parts that contains saturated fat, that contains polyunsaturated fat and that contains monounsaturated fat. So out of these three fats, saturated fat is the worst for our heart and polyunsaturated fat and monounsaturated fat, they are the good for our heart. Now the next thing what you will do is go to your home and check the bottle of your oil. The government has made compulsory to have the composition of your oil, and if your oil has got more than 40% of saturated fat, please discard it. The saturated fat has to be minimum and the oil should have maximum amount of polyunsaturated fat and monounsaturated fat. So do that and you will find out what is the best oil. Also, I am giving you a slide mentioning different composition of different oil and our fat content, and that also will help you to find out what is the best oil and availability in your nearby place. And lastly, to come back to a simple formula, the oil content should be around 500 ml per person per month. That is the ideal oil consumption that is required. And sometimes many people feel that if I take a zero oil intake, I will really not recommend, because oil also is needed for our body. The cholesterol, the fat is also needed for our body, for our joints, for our intestine and many other things. So zero oil is also not recommended. So follow this simple formula and you will fight the heart disease.